Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Silent Light Healing. And let us check what are the messages from Spirit Guides for your person, for your connection. Okay. Yesterday we recorded a reading wherein you were supposed to choose a pie. So today we are doing a simple reading. Okay. These are the generalized messages for you. Okay, so first card we have is the King of Swords card. So the very first card, as I said, is King of Swords card. So your person has dropped down the weapon that they have held till now. Okay, they had a grip on the weapon and they did not want to get into a connection with you. They maybe were, cutting the ties with you, or they wanted to cut the ties of this connection. They did not want to take the connection further with you, and now they are dropping down the weapons. Okay, they were protecting themselves, and they were protecting themselves. They were insecure, but now they are just keeping an eye on you, keeping tabs on you, and just having a look on your social media on what you are up to and how are you doing in your life. Okay, so Knight of Swords want to come towards you. They are maybe a bike is important, maybe a sports bike, or maybe a bike is important for you. They have bought something. Also I get a grip on something. Okay, having a grip on something, maybe they are wanting to have a grip on you, or maybe the connection they are wanting to hold on to you, trying to maintain the grip over the connection, over the person that they are in love with. They're not wanting to lose the grip. Okay, so maybe that is important. Maybe a tire is important. Maybe the red sports shoes are important for you. That are the specific messages that I'm getting for you. So yeah, this is what I'm getting. And maybe a bird is important, and a bird has been a sign for you till now, from your spirit guides. Maybe you believe in birds as a sign for you. Okay, and next we have is the justice card. So justice is being served in your connection, balance is being maintained. Okay, anything that you are waiting for in the connection, maybe same reciprocation, or maybe same love, respect is being given by the spirit guides to you. Maybe blue color, white color is important for you. Golden times are, you know uh, heading towards you. So that is what I'm getting with that. And they are quite sad that about the fact that they have been serving you with injustice in the past, and they were not ready to maintain the bond that you wanted to maintain with them, or maybe the connection. They were not ready to take it further with you, and that is the reason why they offered you with the tower moment. They forced you to go into a tower moment, and due to which you had to go through a lot of tower and painful moments alone. You had to deal with a lot of painful things in the past due to your person, maybe due to the connection or your past connection or relationship with this person, and due to which now you have grown to be a very, very strong and beautiful person. Tower moments are always coming in your life, or maybe you have to go through tower moments alone, so that you can discover yourself, discover your life purpose, and explore yourself. Okay, explore what you actually need in your life, and to heal your wounds, to focus on yourself, and to bring back your person in your life. Fine. So maybe you had to go through those tower moments alone, and so as to grow as a better person, so as to bring back your person in your life. Fine. So we have Nine of Swords. The journey has been really painful for you. It has been very much saddening and painful for you. You have made a lot of, you have prayed a lot for this person. You have manifested a lot for this person. You have wished upon the stars as well. You have not even left one single technique of manifestation. Okay. Um, till date you are just going on manifesting the particular outcome, and you are in the same energy as you were in the past when they left. Okay, so you are in the same energy. You are ready to welcome them back as well. But somewhere you have also realized your worth. You have realized your strength, that without this person, if you can do well in your life, then what is the need of this person? Okay, somewhere now it's the question of your self respect. Okay, why they have left you in the past, if they really wanted to stay or be a part of the life of your life now. So why they have come back to you now? What has made them realize your worth, or maybe the worth of the connection? So it has been a burden on you, and you have cried a lot. Maybe spent a lot of sleepless nights. Okay, you have not even shared this particular thing with about your person or about the connection with anybody. You had no person beside you who would, you know, help you or support you when no genuine person was present in your life, or still nobody is present in your life who would help you. So you have just overcome your sadness, and you have just you had to move on from the painful past, or maybe the painful trauma, or whatever the case may be. You had done it all alone by yourself. Okay, so now you have been a very strong person. Okay, you have grown to be a very strong, powerful person, and now you're wondering why your person wants you back in their life. Okay, so they are, maybe they are just admiring your strength. They are just they have realized, they have learned few lessons, they have realized your worth, and now they are wanting you back. Two of wands, as I say, they are keeping a watch on what you are currently doing in your life. Okay, they have held a stick, that is, they are not wanting to lose the grip on you, or maybe grip on your love, or maybe grip on the connection. They are not wanting to lose you. Okay, no matter how far they wander, or maybe you live in different cities, or you know, or in different countries, but they are not wanting to lose you. They are wanting to stay near to you, and stay connected to you. That is, also I get they are wanting to explore the world, explore the whole, you know, planet with you. Okay, and they are just finding ways to come back to you. Okay, they are not sure whether you are going to accept them back or welcome them back in your life, but they are just finding different ways, and just taking help of different sources, maybe social media, or maybe the help of mutual friends or people that are present around them, to take advice and just, you know, come to you and have the connection again with you, or maybe take things further with you. So they are going to come back. You can expect a call from them, you can expect a text from them, a message from them. Okay, so yeah, you have taken a stand for yourself, and you are uh, standing in your own power, and that is a very good thing. Okay, so they are just wondering about the same, whether you are going, but they are definitely coming in with justice. Okay, if they have not done justice with you in the past, they are, and apology is also coming, and as well as changed behavior along with that is also coming in for you. So do not worry about the same. Now let us check the love messages from your person, what they are wanting to tell you. Fine. Okay, so let us check what are the messages from your partner, your person. Thank you, spirit guides. Okay, I feel you even though we are apart. As I said, you are maybe in a long-term relationship, or maybe long distance. Sorry, long distance. Oh, I said long-term relationship. So this is a sign from the spirit guide as guides. As I said, long-term relationship. So maybe this relationship or the connection that you're currently dealing in, okay, that is, you know, going very far. Okay, it's long-term connection with your person. Fine, you can think of a long-term relationship with this person as well. I feel you even though we are apart, so they are feeling you. Okay, they are understanding your feelings. Now I worry myself to work to forget about you, so they are staying, keeping themselves busy so as to not think about you, because they start missing you. Okay, sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. They are also now not able to sleep because of your thoughts. Okay, I want you. They are wanting you. Till now, you were in this energy, in this type of energy, but now your person has realized your worth and your, as I said, okay, and the worth of the connection and the depth of the connection. Okay, so now they are feeling the same that you have felt till now. Just being near to you is so intoxicating. Fine. So this is a very good thing. And so we have, you speak to me through music. Okay, very nice. I want to tell you how I feel. They are wanting to express their feelings. As I said, they are wanting to come towards you. They are wanting to say sorry, and they are also wanting to serve you justice. They are wanting to give you balance till now, which they have not given, or maybe they are not able to offer to you. They are now giving a promising long-term relationship and a fulfilling one as well. So these were your messages from your spirit guides, and love messages from your person as well. So they are coming, wanting to come towards you and express how they feel, and yeah, they are wanting to serve you the justice. And as I said, fine. So yeah, these were your messages. Thank you so much. We'll meet with another reading very soon. So take care till then and stay blessed.